Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most fundamental concepts in statistics, linear regression. We'll break down the equation y hat equals a plus bx to understand how we can find the line that best fits our data. So, what exactly is linear regression? It is a statistical method that helps us understand and model the relationship between two types of variables. We have a dependent variable, which is the value we want to predict, and an independent variable, which is the value we use to make the prediction. The main goal is to draw a single straight line through our data points that best represents the overall trend. This is the core equation for a simple linear regression model. Y hat represents the predicted value of our dependent variable. Is the Y-intercept, which is where the line crosses the vertical axis. B is the slope, which tells us how steep the line is, and x is our independent variable, the value we already know. Let's look at our first component, the Y-intercept. This is essentially the starting point of our line. It represents the predicted value of the dependent variable when the independent variable x is 0. You can think of it as a baseline value before we even consider the influence of x. Next up is b, the slope. The slope defines the angle and direction of our line. It tells us how much the dependent variable is expected to increase or decrease for every 1 unit increase in the independent variable. A positive slope means the line goes upward, while a negative slope means it goes downward. How do we know we have the best line? We determine this by looking at the errors, which are the vertical distances between our actual data points and the line itself. These errors are also called residuals. The best fit line is the one that minimizes the sum of the squares of all these residuals. This is a method known as ordinary least squares. Let's make this more concrete. Imagine we want to predict a company's sales based on its advertising spend. After running a linear regression, we get the equation. Sales equals 50 plus 2.5 times ad spend. This means our baseline sales are 50 units, and for every dollar spent on ads, we predict an increase of 2.5 units in sales. So, if the company spends $100 on ads, we can predict sales of 300 units. There are a couple of important things to keep in mind. First, just because two variables have a strong relationship, it doesn't mean one causes the other. This is the classic correlation does not equal causation. Second, linear regression works best when the relationship between the variables is actually linear. If the data follows a curve, this model won't give you accurate predictions. To sum it all up, linear regression is a powerful tool for modeling relationships with a straight line. Its primary job is to find the best fit line by minimizing the sum of squared errors. By understanding the equation y hat equals a plus bx, you can start making predictions based on your data. And always remember, correlation is not causation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.